morning to all my lovely students there. How are you students? I hope you are taking care of your health. As you know, today we are going to start with our new chapter. That is chapter number 5, Natural Resources. This video is going to be our part first of chapter number 5, that is Natural Resources. As you can see, around us we see nature, and nature has given us many resources, right? We have trees, mountains, rivers, lakes, oceans, sun, stars. All these are the gifts of nature. So today we are going to start with our chapter. So students, let's start our chapter number 5, that is Natural Resources.
Natural resources. Natural resources are the resources given to us by nature. We get them from the earth and the environment around us. Natural resources are all around us. They are the air we breathe, the land we walk on, the water we drink, the plants we enjoy, the wood that grows, the animal life surrounding us, and the sun that gives us heat and light. Natural resources are important in our life. They are used by us to fulfill our daily needs.
Students, as we see around us, we see so many gifts which are given by nature. The air we breathe, the land which we walk on, the water we drink, the sun which gives us heat and light, and many more things. Basically, our whole life is based on nature. That means we have to take care of the nature.
Yes. Natural resources are called the wealth of a nation. Many countries have developed their resources and have become rich and prosperous. Some countries are poor and backward as they do not know how to use and make them useful and valuable. When any country does not have a certain resource they need, they can trade with another country to get the resource.
Students, the resources are the wealth of one's nation. Some nations have taken care of their resources and they have reached to a height. They are very rich and prosperous. And some nations don't know how to take care of their health, so they are lagging behind in their development. कुछ resources ऐसे होते हैं that we are lacking. So हम उस lacking को fill करने के लिए we can demand from the other countries in the form of exports or imports. अगर हमारे पास कुछ resources हैं that the other country wants, so we will be sending that resources to other, that will be export. अगर हम किसी को भेज रहे हैं तो export. अगर हम किसी से मंगवा रहे हैं, that will be import of resources. So now the next topic, that is classification of resources. There are two types of resources: renewable resources and non-renewable resources.
Classification of resources. There are two types of natural resources: renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources. Renewable resources are the ones that can be used again and again. They are inexhaustible. Some examples of renewable resources are wind, sunlight, and water.
Students, what are renewable resources? Renewable resources are the resources which we can use again and again. They are inexhaustible. Inexhaustible means ऐसे resources जो कभी भी खत्म ना हो. We have some examples such as air, water, sun. Exactly. So now we will be moving to non-renewable resources. Renewable ऐसे resources होते हैं जिन्हें हम बार-बार यूज कर सकते हैं. The opposite non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are the resources which we cannot use again and again. Okay?
Non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are the ones that do not grow or come back. Once non-renewable resources are used up, it takes a very long time to replace them. They are all exhaustible and cannot be replaced. Some examples of non-renewable resources are oil, coal, copper, diamonds, natural gas, minerals, iron ores, gold, silver, and rocks. Fossil fuel is also one of the non-renewable resources. Though it can be replaced, it takes millions of years to be formed from the dead and preserved remains of any living organism.
So students, what are non-renewable resources? Non-renewable resources are the ones that do not grow or come back. Once non-renewable resources are used up, it takes a very long time to replace them. Okay? Please mark this on page number 27 of your textbook. They are all exhausted. That means अगर वो एक बार खत्म हो जाएंगे, so then it will not be regrown, or if they are regrown, it will take millions of years. Some examples of non-renewable resources are oil, copper, diamond, natural gas, mineral ore, iron ore, gold, silver, right? And we have seen some fossil fuel. What do you mean by fossil fuel? Fossil fuel is also one of the natural resources. Fossil fuel means coal, petroleum products are known as fossil fuels. Though it can be replaced, it takes millions of years to form from the dead and the preserved remains of any living organisms. So you can mark this how the fossil fuels are made up of. So students, let's keep it here in this video and let's move to worksheet. So students, here is your worksheet number 1. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. First, natural resources are called the dash. Dash resources are the ones that can be used again and again. Third, natural resources are very important for the development of a dash. Your question number 2 is what are renewable resources and what are fossil fuels? So students, clearly we will be continuing this chapter in the next video. Till that, please keep updating your notebooks. Please write this worksheet in your notebook. Bye students.